always doing something different here on this channel. So in this one, we'll burn this old tree stump out of the ground, right out of its footprint. No digging or chopping roots with an axe required. To do it, we'll use this inexpensive 12-volt fan. It's very common and easy to find, so let's do it. Grab a 36-inch length of half-inch copper pipe and slide on a 90-degree elbow. Now drill a 3/4-inch hole into the end of a beer can and cut the other end off with snips or large scissors. Just be careful as these edges are sharp. That fan we're using runs on 12 volts DC and draws about 3 amps of current. I'm using a 12-volt power supply, but you could run this with an old car battery just the same, and the setup would be portable. Tape the open end of the can to the fan outlet and wrap some tape onto the pipe to keep it from sliding in and jamming itself into the fan. Cut and bend a metal coat hanger, just like this, to make a support for the copper pipe blower tube. With a 1-inch drill bit and a cordless drill, we'll head outside. Before going any further, we must talk about safety. Fire does not mix with buried cables, wires, or gas lines. So if you're unsure what's buried nearby, get a call before you dig service in to map out your area. It's usually a free service, and you might even be able to use that location information later. Drill 3 holes that go deep into the stump and make sure that they are aimed to intersect with each other at the bottom. Blow out the debris. Air needs to flow from any one hole and out of the others. I used my copper pipe to do this. I injected hand sanitizer into one of the holes and then lit it on fire. I then tossed in some small pieces of wood shim. Once lit, I powered up the fan to provide air for the burn. Keep dropping in small pieces and let the fire spread from the first hole and into the others. Keep that going and growing. Keep adding small pieces of wood to the fire. The smoke should be quite minimal as we are steadily gouging out this stump with a steady blast of oxygen. This end of the pipe will be extremely hot and the heat will travel up the pipe, so don't touch. For me, the end of the pipe closest to the fan stayed cool. Wear protective gloves if you need to reposition the pipe. If the fan is turned off or the airflow stops, remove the fan from the heat of the pipe immediately. Soon that stump will be gone, and all that will be left is its footprint. Every tree stump still has roots, and if they're dry, they'll be glowing in your fire pit. Put them out with plenty of water. Anyways, we're coming to the end here. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.